Hello, welcome back to video. So today I'm going to explain you how I can replace my server cron job with a GitHub action, and this is totally free. So basically, like what if I tell you that you can run every task night at 12 a.m. without server, without AWS, and without paying anything, just with some GitHub action only. So like that is a GitHub action. What exactly lets you do? So without wasting time, let's start with the example. Okay, so basically what we have to do, we have to create a new repo. Okay, in that repo just name it test workflow. Okay, this is the basic name which I have put it. Okay, create a one repo. Then if you look at uh, code issue and pull request and action. Okay, we need to click on this action. Okay, remember this is the action. Okay, so we need to click on this action. There is just so many configuration here, but we need to click on this keep and add setup workflow yourself. So please click on this setup workflow. Whenever you click on this, there would be like a dot github workflows and main.yml. In main is a branch. Okay, so basically this is the file where we can write a code for the automation, for the scheduling. Okay, so I have some template of code, so I paste it directly without writing, without wasting time. Okay, so I will explain the code here. So this is the code. Okay, I will explain one by one. Okay, if you can look at the first line is the name. Okay, here the action name. Okay, which we are given. So like this is what we can say, not action name, workflow name. Okay, so I have added the name is zero daily zero activity checker. Okay, let's say there is some API we need to call at a every like uh, 1 UTC time. Okay, 1 UTC, so we are calling this API. So okay, on schedule. Okay, on this cron, this is a very important. What it is, like it is a it's like a writing a time. Okay, writing a time. Let's say we while we okay, generally we are setting some alarm in phone. Okay, alarm in phone, so we set directly on a clock. Okay, but while writing the cron, we need to this is a pattern we have to follow. Okay, let me explain the pattern. Okay, first number is a minute, second number is hour, and then the like third number is day of month, and then fourth is month and day of week. Okay, so this is the pattern which we have to follow. What is a workflow dispatch? Okay, workflow dispatch is interesting. Okay, so while we okay, this while we commit these changes, okay, the workflow is right. Okay, but let's say we need to click manually. Okay, so that's this the code is, this line is very important. Workflow dispatch means if you add this workflow dispatch, we can manually also trigger the event as well, means this action as well. Okay, so this is a basic name, trigger superbase function. This is a run on ubuntu latest, means it's creates a one temporary machine for our um, action, means our workflow, ubuntu latest and steps. Okay, okay, this is the step. Okay, in this steps, like the steps first, this step executed step by step. Okay, the meaning of steps we are going to execute step by step. Name is trigger edge function. Okay, so in the run we have added the simple our curl request with the okay, so here we are calling the one superbase function. So basically this superbase function url and some superbase secret. Okay, so this is the some simple code. Okay, so basically this is the body which you have received, and then what we can do, this is important. If http status is equals to 200, then h function triggers successfully. This is very simple. Okay, in the final there is a like name is log completion. If always, okay, what is this meaning? If always your code gonna be fail or like maybe successful, every time this line going to be executed. So like job completed at this date and this UTC time. Okay, so basically this always meaning is whatever happen. Okay, whatever happen, fail or maybe success. Okay, but you should run this line. Okay, so this is the simple code. Okay, do not worry about it, just check, just understand it little bit, and then go chat gpt and write it in your own way. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to just commit these changes. Okay, okay, we have committed these changes. Okay, now just go on the action. Okay, if you can look at, here is the zero activity checker is present. Okay, so now it's going to run on our 1 UTC time. Okay, 1 UTC time. So like I have set it in 1 UTC. You can set according to your case, like Indian IST means you need to convert like 1 means UTC to IST. Okay, according to our convenience. Okay, so this is the okay, so we have added this workflow dispatch. Okay, so we can run this workflow by manually as well from here as well. Okay, and then so this is a run workflow, but this okay, so it's running, but maybe it's failed because if you can look at in the code, in the code there is a secrets. Okay, superbase function URL and superbase service, we like no need to add in the directly code here. So basically what you want to do, just go on setting. If you can look at, this is okay, in secret variable this is action. Okay, in this action, uh, so new repository secret, so here you need to add the superbase function URL and this is a value. Okay, so we need to add this. Okay, while adding this like this gonna be yeah, so okay, so why it's failed, because we didn't add the ENU variable. So okay, and this is no need to configure anything now because it's running automatically from here, uh, because we have scheduled at one time, so that when time is occur then it's automatically done. So like this is the simplest and this is the freest way of running a simple GitHub action, means running a simple cron job with the GitHub action with free.